Y créanos, cuando su directora lo hace con tanto entusiasmo, nos anima a hacer nuestro trabajo con más ganas. Desde dirigir eventos escolares a saludarnos con una sonrisa y poner música durante el almuerzo. Usted hace que la escuela sea un mejor lugar para todas nosotras. No solo dirige una escuela, pero ella eleva cada día, de parte de todos los estudiantes, personal y padres. Gracias y la felicitamos una vez más. Y todos, ¡vamos que sales! ¡Con ganas!
Good afternoon, everyone. We're here today not just to celebrate as students, but to celebrate as proud Quetzales. To celebrate someone who brings energy, heart, and pride of being bilingual to our school. Our amazing principal, Zoila Esquivel Moreno. Now, we've all heard Maestra Esquivel Moreno say it loud and clear at every Visa assembly. Vamos Quetzales con ganas. And trust us when your principal says that with so much enthusiasm, you are encouraged to do your work with a little more ganas.
Our dearest Zoila, as principal and parent at River Glen, Zoila leads with a full heart, tireless energy, and a deep commitment to every student, every staff member, and family in our community. Wait a second. As chair of ADTLE, she has been a bold advocate for equity, excellence, and bilingualism, reminding us often that being bilingual is her superpower, and working tirelessly so students have that superpower as well. Zoila is more than a leader. She is Wonder Woman in the flesh. She brings people together, leads by example, builds bridges across cultures, and always finds time to spoil her staff with her amazing and delicious cooking. Her warmth, dedication, and belief in the power of community is felt in every corner of the school. Today, we celebrate as a community, parents, families, students, your staff, your professional accomplishments, and the heart and joy and authenticity you bring to everything you do. Please join me in congratulating our dearest Zoila, our Administrator of the Year for San Jose Unified School District.
Why are they not bothering me? So thank you so much. It's truly an honor to lead River Glen. Many of you know that I did my student teaching here, and it was always my dream and my goal to have my kids here. But I never in my wildest dreams imagined that I would be leading the school. And it's been a privilege and it's an honor to serve all of you and bring all of you together, because I know we're all here for the kids. We're all here for our Quetzales, and we feel it and we know it. So thank you so much, and thank you, staff. This was a surprise. I had no idea, and it's very hard to surprise me, very hard. Muchísimas gracias a todos. Les digo que esto es realmente una sorpresa. Es muy difícil que me sorprendan, pero es un honor y un privilegio ser su líder. Yo cuando estaba chiquita hice mi práctica aquí en River Glen y dije que quería que mis niños vinieran aquí, pero nunca me imaginé que iba a ser la directora. Así es que me ha encantado, me encanta estar en la comunidad, me encanta porque todos estamos aquí para los estudiantes que son nuestros Quetzales. Así es que muchas gracias y vamos Quetzales con... All right, and with that, we're gonna get started. Classrooms will open, art show will open. That's why it was closed, no wonder, now I get it.
Yes. They like come out, they flower, and then like 2 months later they go into. So I was thinking, wow, that's amazing that you were able to get your project done just on time. Yeah.
Was that the thing you read for Authors Day, right?
Yes. I think some of it could be. I think it depends, but I don't know how much losing would be normal or not. I just know that at the end they like flop over and then all the energy from the flower goes back into the That's fine. That's good. Yeah. How did you find out about HEYNOW? What is that something you have at your house?
So
He brought it over because like, I didn't really know what plant flowers and stuff. It was his idea on the terrarium. That's
What do you want to show us that you?
I don't know. Stuff like time, like 1 times 1 is 1.
You did what?
Stuff like times, like 1 times 1 is 3.
And so then he was successful.
Yeah, I don't even know what I don't like.
Nice. If you could do another project, you do.
Is there stuff around the classroom, Nico, that you want to show us?
No, I didn't really do that much.
You didn't do it, or you lost it?
No, I just did. It was lost.
Oh, it was lost. Okay. Share something about your favorite English and Spanish books this year. What was your favorite English book this year?
I think it's different depending on the book.
Yeah. So that was pretty fun.
It's like,
Okay.
my grandpa,
Share something about your share a reading strategy that you used and show
worked for him,
from your readers.
but then it didn't work for my dad, so he changed it to farming. It also worked, yeah. I remember our
And what is it?
I forgot. Let's just get going.
Walk around the room and show us.
That's the class view.
What? Yeah, you're meant to be walking around.
No, it takes me a while.
Go get your book. Let's go. If you had to add this, what would it be?
Oh, is it the difference? Oh, that one's bigger, it's obvious.
Well, it's about as good as we're going to get with this one.
Hi. Why is it falling apart?
It's not falling apart.
Is he trying to take it down? What happened, Elias? You trying to take it down?
Oh, maybe you did earlier?
Hey, buddy, can I get a picture with you next to it? Okay. Can I get a Superman? Has Superman been found? Ooh.
That was made a lot of progress with that too. We've been able to maintain it.
Yeah, I've noticed that too. She's doing a really good job maintaining that organization. I think I was seeing the power of it as well.
It's been so nice.
Yes.
How does exercise affect your our hypothesis when we first started thinking about this was that we believe that
Let's see your work.
What else? What are those? Is that your birthday?
Mommy get it right?
Is that you?
He already did the sound.
Where's yours?
I got one says it's not the
You skipped a bunch. have to hold on to Bianca, Catalina, again. Okay, right here. Again. Am I supposed to find you? Yeah. Okay. Okay, enséñame.
Which one?
That one with the pink shirt?
Point to the one you did, Olive.
That's you? No. ¿Con el moño? ¿Ese? ¿Este?
Which one is it?
Este. How come?
I sold the chair here. Oh, I'm fine.
No, it was your chair.
Oh, did you make teeth? Teeth are hard. En la granja?
He likes the garage.
Okay, well.
Yeah, nailed it. Nailed
Here, you read it?
Yeah.
Do you have anything to show me in your art before we go?
No, pero en español, ¿qué dice?
No practicamos ese libro, pero practicamos esa palabra, más que ya los guardé.
No se preocupe. Oh, yeah? You showed me the book. Dice, enseña mi escritura. How about you? Es Olive en agosto. ¿Quién es? Ajá. ¿Pájaro?
Hola.
Septiembre. ¿Qué es eso? ¿Es una calabaza? Wow, una calabaza. Un pavo. Not a chicken. Yes. Yes. How you doing? Thanks for the shirt. I forgot notice. I washed your pajamas we borrowed yesterday. Oh. It took me a minute to get to the light colors. Casa. Abrir. Pizza. Mi pizza tiene queso y what?
I feel like
Una canasta.
overall ended up being pretty accurate.
Who are those kids?
Yeah. It's also like a tie-dye, and I'm like, yeah, that's like, that works.
Mama, I decided to make a witchy at the park.
Oh.
It's supposed to be around here.
This one? Nico. Can I get a picture with you by it? Your artwork? Okay. This one's yours? Show me the one's yours, Olive. Oh. So cute.
After the me. Peace. After the me. Oh. Yeah.
Okay, should we roll?
It's ridiculous, but it's so good.
I don't know.
Where are you going, dude?